Alright, so today I'm going to talk about a partial fraction questions. And this partial fractions question is not your usual partial fractions question because in this case the degree of the numerator, which is this one, it actually is bigger than the degree of your denominator. So in this case, if you pay attention to the degree of your numerator, that is 3 in this case. And for your degree of your denominator, if you expand the brackets out and you end up with degree 2. So therefore, degree of the numerator is bigger than the degree of denominator. 3 is bigger than 2, right? So therefore, you can't do your partial fraction straight away. Okay, so remember, if you have this condition, degree of the numerator is bigger than or actually is bigger than or equal. In this case, it's bigger. So if you have a condition, degree of numerator is bigger or equal than equal to the degree of your denominator, then you have to do the partial fraction first. So I'm going to do the partial fraction here. So you just remember, if you hit this condition, degree of the numerator is bigger or equal to the degree of the denominator, you have to do the partial fraction first. Okay. So if you expand the denominator, you will get x squared plus the 2x minus the 3. Okay. Then you get 4x here, 4x cubed plus 8x squared, then minus 12x. So you minus off, and then you get minus x squared. Then you have plus, so it's minus x minus 2. Then you have a minus 1. So it's a minus x squared minus 2x plus 3. Then you have to minus plus gone. Let me see. Let me double check. So you have the okay. So you have the plus. So you have the x, and then you have the minus 5. All right. So this is your divisor, and then this is your quotient, and this is your remainder. Okay. So if you have to write this, and this is your dividend. Okay. So these are the names you have to memorize. Okay. So the dividend for x cubed plus 7x squared minus 13x minus 2 will be equal to your divisor, x squared plus 2x minus 3 times your quotient for x minus 1 in this case, and plus the remainder, x minus 5. Okay, so you have to make sure that your long division is correct. Then you can go ahead and do your this partial fraction later on. So over here, the question asks for this dividend over this x plus 3 bracket times bracket x minus 1, right? So therefore you need to divide these are x plus 3 and then x minus 1. So similarly, you have to divide by this x plus 3 and x minus 1 accordingly. Okay, accordingly on the left and on the right. Okay, and I'm going to proceed to the next slide so that you can I can have another blank page. Okay, so I'm going to just duplicate. Okay, duplicate. So what I don't need is the rest. Yeah, I don't need the rest here. Okay, so I just move up a little bit. Okay, all right. So yeah, maybe slightly here. Okay, good. So if you can see here, okay, this is your left hand side and this is the right hand side. So left hand